Meaning of hepatic.
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 Hepatic. The term hepatic refers to anything related to the liver. The liver is the largest internal organ in the human body and performs critical functions such as detoxifying harmful substances, producing bile for digestion, and regulating metabolism. Hepatic diseases can include conditions such as cirrhosis, jaundice, and hepatitis, among others. They can be caused by a variety of factors, including alcohol abuse, viral infections, and genetic disorders. Early diagnosis and treatment are crucial to managing hepatic diseases, as they can progress to serious complications if left untreated. A healthy lifestyle and regular checkups with a healthcare provider can help prevent and manage hepatic diseases.